Hello, this is Tridip. Today I'm going to demo my project CNC Data Pipeline. So basically, CNC Data Pipeline is a data pipeline. Basically, that is very popular in manufacturing industry. In manufacturing, there are different types of machines, and for each machine, a operator wants to know how the machine is working, their uptime or downtime. Is there any alarm ringing, or is there everything okay? So basically, different machine data that they need to visualize the data effectively to make decisions. So this data pipeline is to extract, um, process, analyze, visualize real-time and historical machine data to ensure nice data-informed decision making. So basically, in this project, I used three different machines: Fanuc, Haas, and Mitsubishi, just to give an idea how the data pipeline works. And there are different types of machine data I was simulating. For example, OEE, the overall equipment effectiveness, spindle load in percentage, tool wear, uptime or downtime, alarms. And this is the README file. The code base is here. I have three different major components: the backend, dashboard, and simulator. Backend has all the APIs, database, all the services, and two tests. Then dashboard is basically the front end, having different pages. For example, different React file here corresponding to different components. For example, this file correspond to login, this file for sign up, uh, panel, and so on. And then simulator is basically the controller or the file that is generating different machine data. Basically, they're all randomized. If I show it here, spindle load, toolware, different parameters, they are all randomized value just to simulate the pipeline. So basically, I'll show the architecture, how the system works. Basically, the machine data is generated in CNC simulator file, and then those data is going to the data acquisition layer. From there, it goes to data processing. Data processing is happening in the back end. For example, the services we have anomaly detection, data cleaning, JWT guard is used here, authentication. Then the calculation of OEE, they are all done here in the data processing. After data is processed, it needs to be stored in a database, which is, I used a relational database, PostgreSQL. For example, here database schema. This is the schema with 4 tables: machine data, anomaly flags, users, downtime events, with different fields here. And then analytics API routes and admin API routes. These are backend APIs, and they are also relying on the data they find from the database layer. These APIs and then are protected by JWT authentication. And finally, the React dashboard is the front end, different files corresponding to different components, as I showed before in the dashboard source, different pages or components, we can say. Next, the tech stack, basically the back and front end, what programming language and libraries I used. Machine learning. Machine learning is also used here because I used this library. This is a nice machine learning library for Python. Basically, these are the applications: anomaly detection, predictive maintenance, performance optimization, and trend analysis. And I used REST API, definitely. This is a standard REST API, basically specific, following some specific rules. API endpoints are structured. Development tools, GitHub, of course, and for version control. Docker, I'm using here to build the project. Without Docker, I won't be able to launch the app the way I configured here. So this is a prerequisite to have. Status here, 200 means everything is running all right. I'm running it here in my terminal. It's continuously running. File tree, I'll show how it works. Like I'll show the dashboard. File tree, basically a nice visualization of where all the files are located, different directories. Data model, basically in the different fields that we saw in the database schema. Machine learning applications, different features. I'll demo it later. Uh, so basically, how to install the dependencies and get the configure the database, running the backend using Docker, and to get the front end, I'll go there now. These are some additional details. So basically, the port where we can see the dashboard is here. Since it is running, all I need to do is to go to the browser and go to this specific port. This is the dashboard. Uh, there are two types of users. One is operator and one is admin. So it's simple role-based access control. Currently, only one admin exists in the entire app. There are three machines here: Fanuc, Haas, Mitsubishi, and nice charts generated with the help of recharts library. For example, at this timestamp, spindle load is 43.57, 19.25%. It is always updating, so it's hard to see at a specific point, but this is the idea. Cycle time trend in seconds, then tier tool wear in millimeters. Here, all the different machines all together at different timestamps. What are the loads, spindle loads, cycle time, etc. information. Um, Again, another visualization here for each different machines. What are the availability and OE? A quick overview. Anomaly sensitivity, where anomalies happening at different timestamps. The severity level are all shown here. Different recent alarms are all showing here with timestamp and what type of alarm it is. Overheat, for tool break, coming from which machine, Haas machine, etc. So different visualizations. Let's just create one more account for a operator. So let's put the username as operator1 and password, and then the role is operator, and then I need to sign up. And then if I want to sign up again, then it shouldn't work because it already exists. Here you go. So the behavior is correct. Now I want to log in with the same username, password, login successful. So this is the dashboard this is the dashboard that the operator will see. They won't see the roles of how many users there are, what their roles are. Operator is not supposed to see that. So that's why that admin panel is removed from operator dashboard. Same different dashboards for different machines, same visualization. Just one change that they cannot see the admin panel. That's basically it. Very simple application just to demo how the CNC data pipeline work. Thank you.